The nation's biggest home insurance company is making a big change in policy, and it says our climate crisis is partly to blame. As of today, State Farm is no longer accepting new applications for homeowners insurance in California, in part because of wildfires. Here's NBC Bay Area's Marianne Favro.
It means that if you want to buy a home here in the Bay Area, State Farm insurance will no longer be an option for you. California is a climate battlefield. In half a decade, residents have weathered whiplash from the worst wildfire season on record through a 23-year mega drought to catastrophic flooding after this year's outbreak of rainstorms.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
But not so much for new clients in California. Effective Saturday, State Farm is no longer accepting applications for business or personal property insurance policies, citing California's catastrophe exposure and spiking construction costs. The move doesn't impact current home policy holders or auto insurance.
With the 5 years of intense wildfires and losses that we've had, we've pretty much lost all our underwriting profit that we had from the last 20 years.
Janet Ruiz with the Insurance Information Institute says part of the issue is California's Prop 103, forcing insurance companies to require prior approval from the state's insurance department before implementing rates, which some analysts say kept California rates artificially low. While the law is keeping rates down, the insurance industry argues it put homeowners at risk of fleeing providers. In 2018, Jessica Bennett's family lost their home in Paradise after the Camp Fire destroyed more than 18,000 homes and buildings. She says having insurance impacted her future.
I do feel like the insurance is what kept me here, though. Watching us rebuild the home.
How might State Farm's decision impact the real estate market? We asked the president of the Santa Clara County Association of Realtors.
Obviously, it's not a great thing that they've decided to do this. But, our members will be counseling their current, their new buyers or, folks that are doing any type of refis, that there still are companies out there that are willing to insure them.
The Golden State now facing increasing challenges to insure against disaster. Again, if you already have a State Farm insurance policy on your home, the company says it will continue to honor it. In San Jose, Marianne Favro, NBC Bay Area News.